Hello and welcome to SudoKanard. We're here to solve this Skyscrapers Sudoku from the latest Sudoku Grand Prix, which is the last round in this year 2025. This round was organized by Japan, and this very puzzle was made by Shinichi Aoki. And the puzzle had a theme of square numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and the outside clues as well. This is 18 squared. This is the square of 15, the square of 24, and the square of 31, which is really remarkable. So I will assume that you're familiar with the rules of Skyscrapers Sudoku, so you will know that this one comes with a 9, that this 9 comes with the digits all in ascending orders. And so these clues now are fulfilled. This 6, well, 9 will be somewhere here. 9 won't work here with the 5. So 9 will have to be here. And we can see that this clue is now fulfilled, which means that it didn't serve any purpose, as this given 5 was not useful for the puzzle actually. Well, where else can we look? We can see that with this 6, 9 must be at least in 6th position, but there's already a 9 here. So 9 will be somewhere around here. With this 7, 9 must be at least in 7th position as well. So there is an ambiguity here. 5, so 9 now can only be here. And this must be ascending, which I will denote by a thermometer. And now by the rules of Sudoku, we get a 9 here and a 9 there. And I must say that at this point, during the contest, I decided to bifurcate. I decided that this 7 would be really easy to use with a 9 here and a 9 there, and it allowed me to solve the puzzle in a reasonable time for the 125 points. For this video, however, I will strive to make a good solve, a logical solve without bifurcating. So this 6 means that 6 digits are seen, which means that only 1 digit here is hidden and 2 digits here are hidden. And we can see that the hidden digit will be 1, because 1 can't be here, 1 can't be there, so 1 will be somewhere here, and 1 will be the hidden digit, and the other digits won't be hidden. So this is, and 6 will be seen somewhere. So 2 hidden digits there, and the rest is ascending, and it doesn't seem so easy. So this could be as high as 4, so this is from 2, 3, 4. This here is not a 2, so this could be from 3, 4, 5, or it could be the hidden one. So this is really not easy to use. I should focus on this perhaps, or perhaps this 5. This 5, we will see 6, 8, 9, and this digit we must also see 7. So 7 is here. 7 is one of the hidden digits, and this 5 now will be satisfied. This 2 means that this digit must hide this one, so it will be from 7 and 8. And those will be smaller, but this is not a strong constraint. So this 5, 1 is not available, so this is at least 2, 3, 4, 5, without using 7, or the 6, sorry, so the possibilities are those. then this 7 can't be here with the 7 view, so 7 has to be here. 8 can be nowhere in here for this 7 to hold, so 8 will be here. And 6 doesn't work in this part as well. If we tried 6 here, we will see at most 6 digits. This one, this one, this one, and then 7, 8, 9. So 6 has to be here, which means that this is not 5. And we get a 7, 8 pair in this column. The remaining digits are 1, 2, 3, 5. This is not 1. This is not 2 or 5. And one important fact here is that this digit will be hidden. Because if it were not hidden, it would... Yes. There are 6 digits here, and there is the 6 somewhere. So this will be hidden. And I already mentioned earlier that 1 would be the hidden digit in this area. So this has to be a 1. So this is 3. 1 and 3 can be removed. So here we have 1, 7, 8 triple. All right. There's the 1 here by the rules of Sudoku. So now the digits here are ascending. So 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 6. What am I doing? Actually, there's only 1 degree of freedom. 5, 5, 6, and 6 or 8 here. I think this is correct, and this can be any digit except well, any of the 5 digits other than 6 here. And at this point, this 6 clue is fulfilled, and this 2 clue is fulfilled as well. Now, where do we look? This column still needs 2, 3, 4, 5. This one goes somewhere here. Not sure where to look next. So this 7 is very constrained. This is from 1, 2, 3. If 9 is here, then this must be completely ascending, which will force the 5 into this cell. If 9 is here, then there will be exactly 1 hidden digit. That's not a 3. And this is a hidden digit. This digit will be hidden. What about, oh yes, 6 is here in this box. Because of that, no position here would satisfy the 6. So those are from 1, 2, 4, 5. But 5 here would be too high for this to be satisfied. And actually, I think that 4 wouldn't work either. Because with the 4, to satisfy the 6, we would have to see 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But we can see that there is at least a 7 or 8 here, where 6 is somewhere here. So 6 will be a hidden digit. This is a hidden digit. So that's not a 4. And for the same reason, 5 here wouldn't work. With a 5 here, we would have to see 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 will not be seen, so that's not a 5. And 2 is not here. So how can this work? And this. There is at most one hidden digit in there. I think I'm missing something more direct at this point. Perhaps in this area. Now this is most probably the interaction between those. 8 here wouldn't work because this is hidden. We would see at most 3, 4, 5. So 8 here wouldn't work. So there is absolutely an 8 in here. Well, this is a difficult puzzle, definitely. I think that 5 here would be an issue. 5, 2. Not necessarily. Perhaps I should see what happens. I was wondering, yes, 1 is somewhere here. So if I solved the puzzle when I prepared all of this, and I found a reason why this wouldn't work, and it had to do with 1s there. If I try to put the 1 here, then 3 is the only hidden digit, so that we get the 1 here. But now 1 is there, and 1 is the hidden digit in this area. So that this is 2 or 3. This has to be a 5. This has to be 3 or 4. And in this case, we see this 1, 2, 3. We must see 6, 7, 8 in here. And this is where the 2 breaks. You can see that this 2 won't work because 3 digits will be seen. So this is one way of seeing that this option of the 9s in those positions doesn't work. Perhaps there is something more direct to be seen at this point, but I'm not seeing it. So seeing this, we can now note that those 7 digits are in ascending order. So that 1 has to be here. This has to be a 5 with the 2 down there. This is now 5 by the rules of Sudoku. This is from 2 and 3. This is from 3 and 4. This is now 2. And that is a 2 as well. This is from 1, 3, 4. And down there, this is 3 or 4. And on this row, 2 has to be there, which means that we get the 2 here by the rules of Sudoku, and this 2 clue is now fulfilled. Here, this must be ascending, so this is from 6, 7, this is from 7, 8, but we already know that 8 is somewhere here. So this is 7, this is 6, this is 8, this is 7. 7 is not here, it has to be here. That is 8. 6 on this row can only be here. This is from 3, 4, 5. That is a 2. And then this row still needs 3, 4, and 5. This 5 here is fulfilled. This 7 is fulfilled. This row, 5 and 6 are both here. What have I done? The third digit is not 5, it's 8. Those are from 3, 4, and 7. So this 3 will need some action here. That's a 2, by the way. So now we will see the 9, the 8, the 7, and this digit and not this one. So this can't be the one. That's the one. That's a 3. And actually we knew that it couldn't be the 1. And that's a 5 down there. Here we get 3 and 4. This 4 is fulfilled. Let's have a look at this. So 2 digits will be hidden. This 3 is hidden. I'm not sure I can do much more with that 6 at this point. Let's do some more Sudoku. This row needs 3, 4, 7, 8. This row needs 5, 6, and 8. This is not helping. So there has to be an 8 in here. We will, and to see 6 digits, we must see those 3, 7, 8, 9, so that this is 4. 5, 3, 1, 8 here, 1 here, 8 there to see 6 digits, and that has to be the 6. We see 5, 6 down there. That's 8 now. This is not 8, so 8 is there. And to fulfill this 3, we must not have the 7 in this position. So now the rest should be Sudoku. This 3 gives us those digits. Now those are 4, 5, 7. So this is 4, 5, 7 there. This is 7, 5, 7. This is 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, and 8. So this was definitely a difficult skyscrapers. So as I mentioned, a point of tension was the way those 9s were placed. So as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I decided during the contest to bifurcate, just plainly guess that the 9s were there, which allowed me to bypass a large part of the logic and allowed me to be very efficient on this part of the round. But there may have been a more elegant solve than the part that I did with the 9s. If this is the case, you are invited to leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon on SudoKanard.